Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and welcome to part 2 of tracking what will we say, Highway 2000. So we did a part 1 covering areas in Maypen close to Glenmere Road in terms of Highway 2000, and right now we're at Tollgate, Clarendon Park, where Juicy Patty's headquarters is. A Juicy Beef outlet, a plaza. Down the road you have Murray's Fish and Jerk, and you'll get to see all these places from a drone view as well. So remember, what we're doing is at different sections of the highway we're going to showcase the progress of the road in those areas. So today we're going to highlight some areas in Tollgate in Clarendon Park. The highway is a little bit distant from the main road because they're cutting out as much of the unnecessary road as possible to make the journey as short as possible. So we're gonna have to drive into a community that's closer to the road work so we can capture some drone views. So stay tuned for that. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and you know, definitely wait for the drone view as well. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit around the area in terms of where we are, and then we jump into some drone shots. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for clicking. Alright, so Empowerment Park, Clarendon. I guess before COVID this park was for recreation, and also events usually keep here like graduation and stuff like that. I think they had a restaurant over here, that building over there as well. So that's the Empowerment Park in Tollgate, Clarendon, or you can also say Clarendon Park. I'm just going to show you guys a glimpse of the other areas. Alright, so over here is a relatively new plaza. Plaza de Bassier. Right beside Juicy Beef. Lots of shops still open because you know down this side don't have a lot of commercial activities. So this plaza would be one of the main commercial buildings along with Juicy headquarters, the Empowerment Park, Murray's Fish and Jerk. So those are some of the commercial entities down this side. So plaza is here, but it's mainly empty. I think all of upstairs is empty. Alright, just showing you guys around the area before we jump into the drone shot. So this is Juicy Patty's rest stop and drive through. So on a long journey from Kingston, from Portland, St. Thomas, Montego Bay, St. Elizabeth, you can grab some food and other stuff here. Alright, so down here you have the Juicy Patty's head office as well, and the manufacturing plant. And then down the road is Murray's Fish and Jerk, which I'll highlight when the drone go up. So stay tuned for the drone. So this is Juicy Patty's headquarters. This is where Juicy started. So those who are overseas and those persons that are local, if Juicy Beef is your favorite patty, let me know in the comments. And if Juicy Beef is not your favorite patty, let me know which patty is your favorite. Is it Tasty? Is it Mother's? Let me know which patty is your favorite. Again guys, stay tuned for the drone. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for liking. Remember to share and remember to comment.